I've framed a few puzzles so far, but I always do it wrongly. Let me show you. I start with a cork board because it is solid and can handle the weight of the puzzle. Then I cut a piece of paper to the size of the inside of the board. After this, I flip my completed puzzle, apply glue on the back and glue it to the piece of paper I've just cut, while it is still upside down. Apply glue again on the corkboard and place the paper with the puzzle on top of it. But it never comes out centered. I wonder why. Can it be because I tried to center the paper while it is still upside down and I have no way of checking it? No. Future me would apply on the back of the puzzle just enough paper to cover the back and keep the puzzle together. And after that, I could flip it the right side up and position it on the board better. Don't be me, learn from my mistakes. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!